The challenge is to find the first word with most repeated characters, which accept a string, and suggested it should return the first word in a given string with the most repeated characters. And the word is defined as separated by space. So I'll start with a function called this, which will take a string will return the word. Let's write some pseudocode. This function finds the first word with most repeated characters. So I'm gonna need because it will count repeat for each word, so I need a helper function. Count most repeated character. Before I start everything, let me write the helper function. We'll take a word. So this helper function will return the count of the most repeated word, the character. However, because I have to most repeated character. So I'm gonna count every character and find. I need to count every characters and find the max. I should find the max using this function. Okay, the best way to do it is first I want to make this word into a string. So word array, actually you should call it character array. Word repeat. because I'm going to count every character and I want to do a map. Because each letter will become its count. Row counter array. To get into this function, you're not only using the elements of the index and array. For each element, I will actually for each character in this array, I will count element array for each. Because this one will map into the count, so I'll have an internal local counter. And then this function will map the counter. If element equal to element 2, counter equals counter so for the map function, so this one none in the end of function will return let's use a function like this. Now let me do a test. Okay, this function works. So inside this, at first I separate the string to a word array. Now I'm doing a map of mapping each word to its repeating count, most repeat count. Most repeat character count. Character count. which will call back function this. Now word is equal to word or read dot, the index is this, the index of, use this function again. So it will be the index of the largest number of this array. Remember, the index of will always return the first one from the left. Let's do a test. Okay, now it should work. Pass the test, and that.